Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play DLDLc on piano. First, locate beginner-friendly sheet music or online tutorials for songs like Your Reality. This will provide a clear roadmap for your hands. Next, ensure you understand basic piano key identification and proper hand positioning. A comfortable posture and correct finger placement are crucial for smooth playing. We'll focus on starting with the main theme, which is often a great entry point for new players. Once you have your sheet music, identify the fundamental chords used in the song. Many DLDLc pieces utilize common chords like C major, G major, A minor, and F major. Practice the right-hand melody independently, focusing on the rhythm and how the notes flow together. This helps build muscle memory. Then, slowly integrate the left-hand chords with your right-hand melody, ensuring each hand is synchronized. Start at a very slow pace, perhaps at 60 beats per minute. To improve efficiently, break down any challenging parts of the song into smaller 2 to 4 measure sections. Focus on mastering these segments before rejoining them. A metronome is an invaluable tool. Begin at a slow tempo, perhaps 40 beats per minute, and gradually increase it as your accuracy improves. Don't forget to record yourself playing. Listening back can highlight subtle errors in rhythm, timing, or dynamics that you might miss during practice. This self-assessment is key to progress. As you become more comfortable, explore various arrangements of DLDLc songs. You might find versions with more intricate harmonies or faster tempos. Delving into basic music theory will significantly enhance your understanding of why certain chords sound good together and how songs are structured. This knowledge empowers you to even improvise. Finally, engage with online piano communities. They offer a wealth of shared knowledge, feedback on your playing, and access to diverse learning materials.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.